An onion can cure at least 5 health problems. Onions are the most underrated food ingredient present in your kitchen. You might use it in various dishes or eat it in a salad, but the medicinal benefits of onion remain unexplored. Onion is treated as one of the ordinary food ingredients which make your breath smell awful if you eat it in large quantity. The health benefits of onion are enormous and you can use it to cure simple disorders. It actually should be included in your first aid box. Top 5 uses of onions. Clogged ears. The clogged ears are often irritating and not good for your hearing ability. Follow the process to unclog your ears. Process. Remove a soft part of the onion and put it at the beginning of the ear canal. Don't push it hard inside your ear. Be careful that you place at the beginning only. Allow it to remain overnight and the onion juice will soften the wax buildup in the ear. Next day, it will be easy for you to remove the wax and unclog the ears. Burns. Burns are common if you have baking cookies and cakes. The onion juice is very useful to soothe the burning skin. Just cut the onion in half and apply the piece of it on the burned skin. Leave it on the burned area for 5 minutes and the pain will vanish. Bee or wasp stings. The bee stings are usually uncommon and thus many of us don't know what to do when such incidents happens. So, here is a first aid for bee stings which you can use. Just mash a small piece of onion and dab it on the sore area. You will soon get relief from the pain and the skin will start healing quickly. High body temperature. It is the best solution to high body temperature. Put the slices of onion in your socks as a treatment for high body temperature. This one is truly great and provides an amazing result. Detoxification. The raw onions are very useful to flush the toxins from your body. So, add the onions in your salad dish to make detoxification a routine step for you. By doing this, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. These are all the wonderful health benefits of onion. So, keep it handy in your kitchen and use it when you want to cure health issues quickly as well as naturally. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.